Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about address of operator ampersand, part of programming in C course. The address of operator ampersand in C is used to retrieve the memory address of a variable. The ampersand operator is placed before the name of the variable and to get its memory address. The result of the ampersand operator is a pointer, which is a variable that stores the memory address of another variable. In this example, the address of operator ampersand is used to retrieve the memory address of the variable num. The memory address is then stored in the pointer ptr, which can be used to manipulate the value stored in num. The output of this program demonstrates how the ampersand operator can be used to retrieve the memory address of a variable. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.